Well, hello. It's time to get tatin' with some tater tots. I'm gonna be making a tater tot potato salad. It's actually a warm salad, so it's kind of like a potato tot German potato salad. Let's get started. I need to cook some tots in the oven, but you're gonna cook them for quite a long time so they get crispy. So do it about 10 minutes longer than what the directions say. I've chopped up some bacon here and I'm just gonna toss it in a pan. We need to cook it until it's nice and crisp. I've chopped an onion, time to add it to the pan. I'm adding a little pepper and a little salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna mix that in and allow it to caramelize for about a minute. And now I add a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna mix that in and make sure I get up all the brown bits, and then I'll turn off the heat. I let these taters cool for a couple minutes, and now I'm gonna toss them in a bowl. I'm gonna add my bacon sauce and then toss it to coat. It smells absolutely incredible. Getting ready to serve. And I'll cut some chives on top. German potato salad with tater tots. Whoa, that is amazing. That dressing is so sweet and divine. So much more exciting than I thought this was gonna be. I highly recommend you giving this a try. Thanks for watching me. See you next time. What do you call a store that only sells bagels and donuts? Whole Foods.